Hey guys, welcome back to the Biz Workshop where all the magic happens on the LSZ. Today is a little bit more mundane. We're just going to be doing some of the servicing on the car, like changing out the fluids in the engine and the clutch master cylinder and things like that. But it's important work that needs to happen, making sure that the car is reliable for us when we actually go to one of the BDC events or when we're putting on a demo. We like to make sure that obviously we're using the high quality stuff, so we've got the Morris oils here, Multivis 5x40 for the engine, and also we're using some of their high quality MLR racing brake fluid there for the clutch system. The bell housing always gets so super hot in these LS engines that it tends to turn the fluid black after just one, maybe two events, so we change this out pretty regularly, so we'll get cracking on that one. Morning guys, it's Bank Holiday Monday here at Teesside. It's actually looking pretty much like a BDC day. We've got the Perrys behind me, Ollie Evans, Walton. There's tons of guys here all getting that practice in for next weekend, and to be honest we'll be doing exactly the same thing here. Cannot wait to go and smoke a few of those Tri-Ace tyres and use Teesside for exactly what it's made for. It's the 10th anniversary this time round. It's my 10th anniversary as well of drifting. Cannot wait to get out on track. Cannot wait to see what we can do today. See you in a minute. Back in after killing that first set of Tri-Ace tyres, and I am loving it out there. The speed that we're getting up to now, we're topping out in third, just hitting the limiter just before we enter that first corner, so I'm so happy about that because we haven't done that in, well, I think since I had the Skyline with the V8 back in the day. So really starting to push that high top line, even to the point where we actually went off and still committed in the gravel a little bit there, so sorry Cat. And old habits die hard when we started to rip the rear bumper off. So a bit of duct tape has held that back on, and we're going to get ready to go back out and have another bash with a fresh set of tyres on now. So let's see how we make some smoke clouds this time. As you can probably see down there, we're waiting for the BMW to be recovered. It looks like we've got a snapped arm or something. They're actually using a forklift to help reverse it back up onto the track. So I thought I'd come and tell you a little bit about Teesside whilst we're waiting. For those of you that don't know, this is where I first started drifting back in February. Hey Mr. Perry! Yeah, Mr. Perry is another long-termer here, 10 years in, but I learned to drift here at a drift school. Teesside do this kind of thing all the time with the Pro Drift Academy and other such schools like that. We've got the West track over there behind us. Don't know if you take a little spin round. You see behind Mr. Perry's truck where the cars are coming around at the moment. That's a nice little learner track, a little bit smoother, a little bit softer. And then you have the BDC circuit over here on my left. So this is the one where all the fun has happened, where all the smoke is made, and that's where we're going to be in the next couple of weeks. So we'll make sure we catch up with you then. sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, get your friends, family and anyone interested in cars over to there as well. We'd love to see what you guys are thinking about. The next time you're going to be seeing this car now is BDC Round 2 at Teesside. I've said it 100 times, but make sure you get yourself there. It's going to be one hell of an event. The pits are always open, so make sure you pop by, grab a poster, grab a sticker, say hello and have a bit of a chat about the car and the team. We'd love to have a chat with you there. So, Spiz, signing off.